strategy of making waves meant taking the alkaline water controversy head on. We used disruptive, can't-miss outdoor media like branded people movers through the heart of Miami and spectacular 8-story wallscapes. We included 3D mobile-rich media, social media, and vlogs and wellness content on lifestyle sites. Influencers challenged skepticism by taking their followers on Jove's 30-day wellness journey.
Premium Kansas City-style brisket at a gas station? That's unexpected.
It sure is.
I reckon unexpected is kind of nice.
Strong. Join the Force. Juice Force IPA and new Fruit Force IPA. Live rangerously.